Welcome everyone. Today's video, we're going to head to Lidl. We're going to take a look at the plants and some of the garden products that they've got on sale, right? Just a couple of things to mention before we get into it. So they had one plant, so they had a standard azalea, sold more as a house plant, but they can be put outside after they finish flowering for just $4.99. And I think the star of the show was the rhododendron, and that was just $8.99, and it was a fantastic price for the size of it. Let's get into today's video. Just starting our walkthrough outside, $1.99 for 20 litre peat-free compost is a decent price for a 20 litre. Just through the door, $6.99 for these mop head, blue, white and pink hydrangeas. Just look at the display, doesn't it look lovely? Just ready for Mother's Day. Moving on to one of the stars of the show though, rhododendron, $8.99. I mean, it's a brilliant size and quality for the price. There's a few different varieties and colours, white, pinks, purples, all to choose for, full of bud as well. Brilliant, glossy, very healthy green leaves. Another great one, makes a fantastic present for Mother's Day, $4.99. We've got these little standard azaleas. Now, we used to have these in at the garden centres, and they were purely sold as a house plant, while we've got the flowers as they are, and then they'll go out into your garden once they've finished flowering. And they are fully hardy. It's just they're grown inside to get those beautiful blooms ready for Mother's Day. Magnolias then from $9.99, another fantastic price for the size of the plant. A few different varieties. We've got the main ones. We have Susan, and there's the white one being Stellata. Now, worth mentioning, these do require an ericaceous compost, which is a lime-free soil, but these are fantastic size for the price. Moving on to lilacs then for $9.99. Again, a beautiful tree. It's one I actually have in my garden. And for $9.99, I think it's an absolute bargain. And just down there, we have some herbs for $3.99. Something I need to start thinking about, £6.49 for 1 kg bag of lawn seed. And it's a pretty good brand as well, the Parkside. It is the home brand, but I hear very good things about them. Now, Xanthodecia or Xanthodecia, also known as the calla lily. Really great Mother's Day plant. It can actually be an indoor plant in the winter, and it can live outside in your garden in the summer. Has some beautiful mottled leaves and really lovely flowers to go with it, and they flower for such a long time. It's well worth $6.99. Another star of the show then, these are actually called the double stems. However, the one I bought actually had 4 stems on, $11.99 for these Phalaenopsis orchids. Brilliant value because they have a ceramic pot in with it as well, and you can literally be £3, £4, £5 just for the pot. Moving on to autumn flowering bulbs, but these are also summer flowering bulbs at £2.49. So we'll go through these from lilies to crocosmia there, just with the red ones. I do need to add some lilies to my garden, to be fair. Nadine, so I think I really need to add some of them. They add such a tropical style to your garden, along with dahlias, ranunculus, which is something I always struggle with, and calla lilies there, more Xanthidecias, for obviously a quarter of the price. More dahlias, more lilies, and then at the bottom here we've got some gladioli as well. Beautiful, and I do have some in my front garden which do really well. So moving on to the garden products for $99.99, we have the pressure washer kit. And we have $3.99 for the knee pads, or the or kneeling pad, as I should say. So moving on, sticking with the pressure washer theme, we got the attachment for $14.99 and $69.99 for the garden shredder. Scarifiers. So if that's your thing, then I think that's a pretty decent price for $74.99. Obviously all electric, and then you've got the chainsaw set there as well. A lot of gardening tools, obviously all just thrown in, but they're all $14.99. And then we have lots of loppers from $4.99 through safety glasses for just $3.99 as well. Good selection of sundries just here. Lots of little ties and trowels to go with them. So I do feel like these are a really good price. Spray bottles and sprays for hoses as well. All start from around $1.99. Nice little nesting boxes then for $6.99. And then the last items, they've got some little grow kits there from just $3.99 as well. There we have it. So I was absolutely amazed by some of the prices, especially the plants that they've got. Although they haven't got many plants, what plants they have got are A, great value, and B, great quality. So if you did enjoy it, then please give it a big thumbs up, as it really does help the channel out. Drop a comment down below, as it helps share it out to others who love gardening just like we do, right? Until tomorrow, I'll see you in the garden. You take care.